Wall Street opens higher after Fed-driven sell-off. Welcome to Trading at Noon. I'm Katie Pilbeam. So US markets are on the rise following a Wall Street sell-off in the previous session as the Federal Reserve dashed hopes for early interest rate cuts, with the focus moving to economic data and big tech earnings scheduled for later on in the day. Well, those include results from Apple, Amazon and Meta, all after the bell. Fresh data on Thursday showed initial jobless claims for the week ending January 27th rose to a seasonally adjusted 224,000, higher than expectations of a much lower 212,000, according to economist polls by Reuters. And that number for jobless claims, which suggests that the labour market is cooling, meant the US Treasury yields fell to nearly their lowest levels in 2024 so far. And the drop in yields comes on the heels of Wednesday's policy meeting by the Federal Reserve, in which Fed Chair Jerome Powell confirmed that interest rates had peaked for this cycle. US worker productivity grew faster than expected in the fourth quarter, keeping unit labour costs contained and giving the Federal Reserve another boost in the fight against inflation. Non-farm productivity, which measures hourly output per worker, increased at a 3.2% annualised rate last quarter. Merck climbed after the drug maker posted upbeat fourth quarter results on strong sales of its cancer immunotherapy Keytruda, as the company was able to increase the use of the drug in earlier stage cancers. And Neurobo Pharmaceuticals rose after the FDA cleared the application to begin human trials for its experimental drug to treat obesity. Shares of Royal Caribbean Group rose after posting a 2024 profit forecast above estimates on robust demand for cruising as consumers seek experiences, with their peak season now off to a record start. Tesla CEO Elon Musk is set to hold a shareholder vote to transfer its state of incorporation to Texas from Delaware, days after a judge invalidated his $56 billion pay package. Well, legal experts say that Musk could be sued by investors if the move was seen as a way to secure his pay package. Oil prices, well, they're edging higher, boosted by the US Federal Reserve signalling a possible start to interest rate cuts. And there was limited immediate price impact after two OPEC Plus sources said the group would decide in March whether or not to extend voluntary oil production cuts for the first quarter. Well, this comes after a ministerial panel meeting made no changes to the group's output policy for now. That is Trading at Noon. Don't forget more videos on Reuters.com.